Good day, everyone. Our aim for today is to practice the consonant sound P. We are going to learn how to produce the P sound, pronounce words with P sound, and read a sentence with P sound. Now, how are we going to make the P sound? First, close your lips together, then release air with a puff from the mouth. P. Close your lips together, then release air with a puff from the mouth. P. Let's give it a try. Let's say these words with P sound. P in Peter, P in poker, P in poked, P in piper, P in pepper. Now you go give it a try. For our next practice, we will try to read the sentence with these words. Are you ready? Try to follow after me. Peter poked a poker at the piper, so the piper poked pepper at Peter. Again, Peter poked a poker at the piper, so the piper poked pepper at Peter. That ends our lesson for today. If you have any queries, please comment down below. Thank you.